From more 4x4 here. I just want to, bit of a follow on from the last vid. Got the diff apart now. The main reason why I believe that this diff has failed is that someone's gotten a little overexcited with the sikaflex here. It is just absolutely coated. So it is, yeah, like you look at that, that is just insane. So anyone that does that, yeah, I don't know where they learn to do that, but yeah, they need to just calm down a little bit. So yeah, we found all these little bits caught up in
of sikaflex
in the oil feed to the pinion. So there's only a really tiny little hole down in there to that oil feed. So these were literally stuck in there. So it was physically starving that pinion of oil. So this pinion bearing here is absolutely stuffed. So yeah, these are normally really nice shaped bearing.
So they're normally even.
Yeah, normally even, just like these guys here. If you can see that. Normally like that. These have still got a little bit of wear on them, but this is absolutely.
Show us one of those little those rollers, and show us the shape of them now and how badly they've worn.
It's absolutely stuffed.
And so I'm also led to believe that this diff had only just been rebuilt.
Yeah, it's only literally done a couple of thousand k's. So it's done a freeway trip, a couple of short drives. So yeah, that oil starvation on that pinion is a major drama. So it's really important that you only put a really light smear on around here. So you don't
whereabouts?
A really light smear when you're fitting one of these diffs. So you don't have this potential issue falling in your diff, destroying your bearings. The same as the potential of they've gone a bit excited here as well. I understand they're probably trying to seal this, but you're better off just buying a new flange. Because again, the slashes can go into the diff and cause more dramas. So
thanks, Benny.
It's going to need a whole heap of new parts to get it back up and going.
Good on you, mate. Thanks.